Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make DIY phone cases. So let's get started. The first thing you'll be needing is some paper. I'm using an index card because it exactly measures the length of my phone. Maybe my phone is a little bit bigger, but just some paper. I'm using an index card. I'm using the white side. So you can print some marble designs or some designs, but I'm not going to do that because it takes too long and I need my mom to help me with that. So let's get on to the next step. Okay, just a second. Sorry about that, I had to close my door. So you're going to be needing some markers or some paint. I'm using these 3 markers because I think they're really cool, and this design is inspired by Tsunami. I love her. I think she's really nice, and she did some DIY phone cases, so you should go tell her in the comments or whatever that she's super nice, that I said it, and I have my own YouTube channel. And if she wants to, that I would love it if she would check my channel out. So yeah, this is inspired by Tsunami. So you're gonna also need a phone case, which I'll show you later what it looks like. You're going to be needing your piece of paper. And what I like to do first is this is inspired by Tsunami, the crystal design. So you're just going to want to draw some jagged lines. Just like that. That's curved. I don't know how that got curved. It's bothering me. These phone cases, in my opinion, I think they look really cool. So with my 3 markers, if you want to, you can outline these in black. I'm going to later. Okay, so I did get a Sharpie that I'm going to use to outline the black lines. And here's my phone case. It has a pop socket on it. I'm going to do another video and about something white antsy, and this is my phone case. It has rose gold flakes, but I think it's still gonna look pretty and show up. So I'm just going to start outlining this in black, because I think black makes it all look nice, clean, and neat. And I'm sorry, I was going to post a picture day video of how I get ready for picture day and what my outfit looks like. And I also did what my hair looked like. But I could not get that to post. So that's not going to be up on there for you. So I'm really sorry about that, guys. I thought that video was actually pretty cool. So here's my crystal design. So now I'm just going to, where my other marker go? I'm going to color it with my 3 markers if I can find the other one. So I'll meet you then. Okay, so I got my geo crystal thingy done, and I'm going to grab my phone case, and I'm going to trace it with my handy dandy pencil. So yeah. I messed up. So I'm just going to flip it over. It just fits my phone case. Just. Okay, so I have it traced out. I'm just going to cut it. So yeah. Okay, so I have my phone case cut, and I think it looks awesome. I accidentally kind of ripped the paper at the top, so I just reinforced it. It wasn't that good, so I taped it at the top and the back to reinforce it. And you're just gonna want to take your thingy, flip Oh no, jeez. Well, okay. So, yeah. It fits. It's a little too big. But I'm just going to have to tape this, put some paper in front of it and recolor it, draw the line here, and cut that too. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Okay, so here's what it looked like. Trying to cut out the hole was difficult, just to me, but it may not be difficult to you. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's really pretty. So this is the finished product, so I'm going to put it on my phone. And I hope you guys like this video. Maybe even consider like turning on notifications and subscribing. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye guys. We'll see you in the next one.